Hello, I'm Ravinder. I'm the Associate Project Manager for TMT. Please join me as we meet the TMT team. With me today is Dr. Gelys Trancho, who is our Senior Systems Engineer. Gelys, why did you become an astronomer?
Well, it's a very interesting story. So when I was in the university in my third year, so I need to choose a career path. And the IEC at the time have a lot of interesting presentation from different people about the different possibilities. And I went to this talk by Dr. Gelys that was about parallel universe. After 1 hour, I was like totally shocked to believe I have not understood anything at all that a person said. And I said, that's what I want to be when I grow up. So that was exactly the moment I became an astronomer. That was a decisive moment for me.
Can you tell us about your work here for TMT, please, and what is it? Why do you enjoy the work that you have here?
So I work here as a senior system engineer, but my focus, the area where I normally work is operations and adaptive optics. These are the two major areas, and also I contribute in utilities. Why do I do what I do is, as an astronomer, I want to build the best telescope. To build the best telescope is not only to build the best hardware, it's also to build the best machine, how the machine works. And operation is the key, how everything fits together. So that's what I do. The system engineer is an engineer that I call the glue, meaning is the one that is trying to understand the requirements from the astronomers and transform these requirements into engineer units, but at the same time trying to see everything as working together. So that's the reason we call it the glue. So it's the one that tries to maintain that telescope as a one machine, all working synchronously all together.
Gelys, do you think you need to be an astronomer to work on something like TMT?
I definitely don't believe that you need to be an astronomer. We definitely need people from all other disciplines.
What kinds of disciplines?
Any engineer. We can go from mechanical, civil, electrical, software. The telescope is not built only with astronomy, it's built for astronomers. So you need that other engineers to support that dream.
Yeah, I'd also add to that actually, we spend a lot of time working with our business group here, accountants, finance people, attorneys. Can you tell us, Gelys, what is it about your career path that you think would be of guidance to young people?
For me, it's all about passion. What do you believe is what makes you to do things? So you don't need to be an astronomer to work in an observatory. You need to have a passion about what we do. And we try to build something that will help people to understand the universe. You can be an engineer, mechanical engineer, an electrical engineer. They help to make that goal, that dream come true. So it's all about believing in the project you're working in.
Gelys, thank you very much for your time today.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching. You can see it takes many different people to build what will be one of the biggest optical telescopes in the world. Please join me in the next of our interviews with the team.